So hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I was a bit busy, so therefore I didn't took too many trades. So let's see what happens. Right now I'm going to take few trades. Okay, so here I'm going to take my trade. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here I can confidently take my trade in up direction because you can see here. Let me show you. The trend is an uptrend, minor trend, and this is a very strong candle, a sign of reversal. So it is a Marubozu candle, so this candle will definitely go up and it will close as a bullish candlestick. You can see from this point to this point there is a level, so this area will work as an SNR. So this area will work as a SNR. So let's see what happens. Okay, I was getting so many messages, but I'm sorry, I was a little bit busy, therefore I wasn't able to reply them all. So let's see. Okay, so again I can go with the buyers. Okay, a bit late entry, but I know I will win this trade too. So let me explain this trade to you all. Okay, so you can see here what happened here. You can see I told you that this candle will reverse the market, and it reversed the market, but still I'm seeing a spinning top doji candle. Sorry, this is a doji candle. So what happened here? The thing we need to notice is that what kind of candle is forming at the level. So it means this candle, we know that this is a reversal candle, so therefore this candle went up and it will close as a bullish candlestick for sure. Okay, so this was my first trade, so let's analyze the market again here, so I can confidently go with the buyers from this point too. Again a late entry, but it doesn't matter, it will close as a bullish as per my analysis, because you can see here from this point you are seeing a strong bearish candle, but you can see here there is a gap. So because of this gap the candle must close as a bullish. Still my entry is very late, but I know my analysis are right and I will definitely win my trade here too. So you can see candle is going up. Okay, so again I can go with the buyers confidently from this point, and you can see here now the sellers are here at this area, so therefore this candle will also go up and it will close as a bullish for sure. So after almost 3 to 4 days, this is my first video, and I'm going to make this video as a final video right now. So after this video I will go and start my question and answer session with my group members, because I want you all to learn where we are weak, where I was weak, where we were weak, where we are weak. So I need you all to be with me, and I want you all to learn what I have learned. So we know that each and every candlestick prediction is much hard, but you can see here how I am predicting each and every candle. I started from this point, 1 2 3 and 4, and from these 4 candles you can see because of this area. Because of this reversal candle, I got an ATM, and I knew that the next level is here. So because of this, the next candle went up. So here still there was a gap, so because of this the next candle went up. So what happened here on the fourth candle? You can see here sellers are here right now, so therefore the next candle also went up, and I knew that this candle was also a bullish candlestick, but as I told you that I was very busy during these days, so therefore right now I just arrived, and I want you all to be with me, and I was trying that I need to upload at least one video, because for me 3 days gap is a very big gap. So because of that I came and I again took 4 continued trades, and all were ITMs and one was ATM. So you can learn all these things, it is very easy. So today I was uh, chatting with someone, and I told him that, have you seen the movie Avengers Endgame? And I told him that, mark my words, when you will get the session from me before the death of Thanos, you will learn what the main reason behind each and every candle is, why they are reversing, why they are going up. So still I know you all are facing very big problems, and I'm here to resolve them all, because I was the one, and I was also struggling, but now I know what was the main thing and what was the main point which I was missing. So now I have learned that, and I know I will win all my trades. I know I can get good winning ratio, and I am getting good winning ratio. So let's hope for the best for the future. So I know it will help us all, and it will increase the level of your knowledge. So stay blessed you all, and take care, have a great weekend. So I'm with you, so don't worry at all. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe, because I want these video to be shared with the aim that people can get an idea from all these videos how can they trade on each and every candlestick. So thanks again, and stay blessed you all. Take care, have a blessed weekend ahead.